Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with the demo. So I have completely overhauled the system and added the management fee, which were initially hard-coded in the formulas, but now I have made these all of these links dynamic. And yes, if there will be no quantity available in the machines, you will not see any numbers on the sides as well, and obviously on the bottom because these numbers are being pushed from the bottom. So I just deleted. Okay, it's saving it. So okay, the drop down is here. All the fields are dynamic and 3090 right at the bottom, and then there will be 100 followed by 4090 field. So yep, everything is done and functioning fine. I have tested it and made sure that all the links are right. Still, I would like to give you the control so that you can have it reviewed, and please let me know if you need this. Yep. So it took a bit while because I think I messed up few formulas, but in the end, I think I tried to pull out all the links one by one. So first I completed the 3090 and then 100 and 4090. So and yes, I have tested these with the same values as well by forcing the rates, which are obviously different for bull, bear, and base. Controlled on the control tab. Sorry, my internet is a bit slow. I don't know if you can hear me or not. So here are the controls. So that's it from my side. Please review it and let me know. Thank you.